Hey guys, we got some Home Depot February 2024 deals for you here. So this is a rigid wet dryback for $79. It was $100. And it's a 12-gallon wet dryback. It's got the wheels and it looks pretty stable because they protrude out on the bottom. And then it shows the plastic handle at the top. That's nice always. And the locking accessories as well. And again, this is the standard filter for it. It's $22. So next up here, we've got some ratcheting sets. They had all these up in the front here. I don't know if they're just trying to get rid of them, but this is a 4-pack, 500-pound working load per strap from Husky, and these are 10 bucks. And then going down the line here, they've got a Husky 2-inch by 27-foot $10 strap, and they're saying this one can hold like 3,300 pounds. So if you need a major strap, that's a good one there. And then they've got a midline for 20 bucks for 1,000 pound straps. They had all these Milwaukee boxes in the middle here. And they have these Milwaukee Tools for $14.97. The first one here is a folding 6-in-1 utility knife. It's a fastback press and flip. Also comes with a screwdriver at the bottom. That's pretty cool. And this is a Milwaukee 25-foot auto lock 12-foot reach tape measure. And then they've got the screwdriver as well here. Now Milwaukee has a few deals here. They have the $229 and $399 kit deals. The more expensive one just comes with the hard case and then the dual battery charger, and you get a free $200 battery as well. And then up on the right here, they've got the $399 impact driver kit and the special buy kit, the 5-tool kit. They're saying that the Red Forge batteries can charge in 15 minutes to 80% as well. This is the $399 toolkit here. It's a $1,000 value, they're saying, or $1,032 value. This is the dual battery charger here for $229. And let me get a close up here. Yeah, $229 M18 dual bay battery charger. And then Husky has this $13.98 ratcheting PVC cutter. It's 1 1/4 inch with a lifetime warranty. These are the handles here. Ryobi has some of their new tools off to the side, or at least some deals. For $159, it was $189. They've got the nailer here. And the brushless 4-mode impact wrench was $179, is now $159. So that's a special buy on their 1/2 inch impact wrench. And these are now off to the side. They were up front and they had the special sections, but I guess with spring they're pushing them off back to the side. This is their 18-volt extended reach ratchet. This is $20 off now at $149. And this is the display one here. They've got it bolted down, but $149. Here's the specs, up to 55 pounds of torque here. And they've got some more tools. They've got the circular saw, impact wrench. And let's go off to the side here. For $299, they've got the 6-tool combo kit. This is 18 volts. And that's a savings here. Or this one's more of the savings, I think. The 4-tool combo kit, you get a savings from $159. It was $199. And then you get a free 18-volt lithium battery with purchase of a select tool. This is one of their special buys here. And they've got the different tools here. In your choice for $59, they've got the caulk gun, multi-tool, and reciprocating saw here. And these are all the Ryobi tools. They've got them off to the, once you go into the store, they're off to the left if you're walking kind of towards the lumber aisle. In the rigid tools here, they got this buy this kit and get 2 tools free for $379. And for $179, you get 1 tool free. And that's this max output starter kit, up to a $189 value, they're saying. And if you've made it this far, go ahead and like the video, guys. It definitely helps me out. And have you all tried out these rigid tools? It looks like they're trying to kind of establish themselves. I've just seen them over the past year, but maybe they've been around for quite a bit. But just let me know in the comments. For $269, I think I have this actually, I might have this exact one. This is a Ryobi 10-inch sliding compound miter saw with a 12-inch crosscut capacity and LED cut line indicator. This is what it looks like here. They didn't have one out of the box, but for $269, they've got the carbide tip blade and the LED. I'm a fan of the LED. And then you kind of come to the left here, and then for $219, down from $399, they've got the Ryobi 1+ HP brushless miter saw here. And this is what it looks like. They just have the box out, and then they include the battery and charger, I believe, with that. And this is a good deal, actually. This Ryobi one, for $119, you get the dual battery charger as well as 6 batteries with this. So that's a special buy. It's a pretty good saving, I think, with that one. Next up, we've got a Dewalt sale here. This is from a Dewalt miter saw from $449 down to $359. And this is what it looks like here on the side of the box. And then that's, again, the savings you're getting. That was marked down on January 2nd, it looks like, maybe. These are some straight cutting aviation shears here. So they've got them, the straight ones in the middle here. And then they've got the left one off to the side. They're saying this is 10 times, or up to 10 times more cuts. This is from Milwaukee. And they've got the locking handles as well if you need to use that. And this is $12.97 for the right cutting aviation snips here. This is a new item. It's a 50-piece bit set with sockets from Makita. And it's $34. It's saying it's lasting up to 100 times longer. And from Husky, they've got these $14.97 down from $20, a 21-ounce framing hammer. It definitely feels pretty sturdy here, but this is a new lower price for them. And next up, we've got on one of these kind of middle end caps, kind of in the middle of the store here, they've got this high power volume inflator from Ryobi for $33. And now this is the tool only, just keep that in mind. It does come with a 3-year warranty. On the same end cap, they had this $67 rigid LED panel light, down from in the 140s, 2500 lumens. It can fold like in the picture here, so you can kind of have concentrated light or more spread out. I'm not really sure why it says hybrid here. It says it has a variable light power dial, so maybe that's part of why they're saying that. But it has a lifetime warranty, and it's from Rigid here. And again, on one of the little end cap areas here. Everywhere I looked, I don't know if this is just, they always kind of have these sales, but this is just bulk price savings. Maybe they're just bringing awareness to it. So they're saying on 12 or more items, the prices are like $1 less. So that's kind of standard. It's like contractor pack kind of deals. You can get them on 4 or more if it's like painting items, but these are like caulk, so they're going to be more. This is from O-Cedar. This is the Deep Clean Microfiber Spin Mop here. It says it has 40% more cleaning power. The scrub pad has these little red things in them, and it says you can remove 99% of bacteria with just water. And it comes with a mop head and 2 refills here. And right next to it, they've got more of the heads if you need them here. But I've seen these at Lowe's and Home Depot quite a bit. I guess they're just pushing this brand. And this one's cheaper. This is an Easy Ring Mop for $29. And I guess this one doesn't have the little red hard scrubbers on them, so it's a little bit cheaper. Now in the spring tool section, this is a Ryobi expandable 18-inch trimmer attachment. I thought it was the trimmer at first, but I looked down and it's just the attachment. So it's got a 3-year warranty, 18-inch straight shaft trimmer for $49. Then for $99, they've got this shearing tool. It was $149. It has 2 tools in one here. It's an 18-volt shear, and it's got the bush cutting tool as well, the longer tool. So go ahead and check out. I'm going to put similar links in the description and in comments. Thanks for checking out this video, guys.